When it comes to audio, music, and Bluetooth speakers, Audionic has always been ready to serve the purpose. Let's see how well Audionic has gone this time with their Tempo mobile speaker. This is Zephyr's Gaming, and you are watching the review of Audionic Tempo Bluetooth wireless speaker. Let's start with the looks, shall we? The Tempo is no doubt an elegant looking speaker with small form factor and unique design on the top. It is a 45mm 5-watt speaker with 500 mAh of battery. It is not much if you'd ask, but it will give you a continuous playback time of about 4 hours straight. On the sides we have a usual play pause button along with volume rockers, which also serve as the forward and reverse playback and track change. You get a micro USB port on the sides on the metal accent, and full charge takes about approximately 1 hour, and you do get a microphone near the charging port, so you can make and answer phone calls with this speaker, but the quality is barely good, so it's generally not recommended. Now, what is the most important feature of a Bluetooth speaker? Obviously, a good speaker. A speaker good enough to play good music without any distortion, but the speaker on this Audionic Tempo is disappointingly mediocre. I'm not saying that the quality is bad, but it does get distorted at 100% volume. So if you can live with that, I guess it's not a deal breaker here. Here is an example of audio from Audionic Tempo.
Power on.
So what's my take on it? Should you get one or not? For the current price of about 840 rupees on sale, I guess this is the best and amazing deal you can get on a Bluetooth speaker right now. But for the actual price of about 1600 rupees or without sale, I must say no. There are many other alternatives at this price point. I don't make paid reviews, and neither do I take copy approval before publishing a video. This means Audionic is watching this video at the same time as you are. Please subscribe to Zephyr's Gaming if you are new here, and like this video to support my efforts. Until next time, my friends, peace out.